Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sonos Error Code 1067. The error reads, there was a problem checking for updates. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to update their Sonos speaker or add it to a new system. According to our research, the error may happen due to network-related issues or update problems with the speaker. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power off the Sonos speaker and the router. First, turn off the speaker at the wall. Then turn off the router and leave both powered down for 5 minutes. After that, turn the router back on and let it fully boot up. Then, turn the Sonos speaker back on and check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then try using the Sonos desktop app to check for updates. Simply download and install the Sonos desktop app for Windows or Mac from the official Sonos website, support.sonos.com/engb downloads. After installing, open the app and click Check for Updates from the app menu, then check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.